message was transmitted at the request of the Salt Lake County Sheriff's Office. A dangerous individual has been reported in Salt Lake City by the public, slaughtering anyone in his vicinity before entering the western section of downtown Salt Lake City. It also appears that he is scratching his neck to the point where it is bleeding profusely. He stands 6 feet 1 inches tall, slender build with dark brown hair and dark blue eyes. He is wearing a white polo shirt with long gray pants and evacuation